Hi, I'm Christy Juckmas from TrueTouch Product Marketing. Today I'm here to talk to you about waterproofing with Gen 5, the new touchscreen controller family from Cypress Semiconductor. Its all-new analog front end means it outperforms the competition in many categories, predominantly performance in the presence of noise. Gen 5 delivers better noise immunity than any other product in the industry, withstanding charger noise up to 40 volts peak to peak from 1 to 500 kilohertz. It boosts signal-to-noise ratio with 10-volt TX, multi-phase TX, and single-pass correlated scanning to take the world's highest SNR even higher. And it even works with in-cell and direct lamination stack-ups using high-frequency scanning and hardware DSP filtering to combat the higher levels of display noise produced by an RX layer so close to the noisy layers inside the display. On top of this outstanding performance, Gen 5 also delivers unmatched waterproofing capability. Other touchscreen controllers can report false touches, miss an intended touch, or even lock up and become useless with water on the screen. But not TrueTouch. With Cypress, your touchscreen will operate just as it would in normal conditions, whether you're dealing with rain, condensation, or sweat on the surface. Water is a challenge for capacitive touchscreens. Capacitive sensing works because humans are conductive. But water is also conductive, and this affects the capacitance measurements made by the touchscreen controller. Cypress's patented ability to deliver both self and mutual capacitance sensing on the same chip allows us to look at the problem differently than other controllers to provide a unique solution to this problem. TrueTouch controllers are the only devices that can deliver built-in waterproofing without special sealants or layers. But Gen 5 continues this legacy of unsurpassed water rejection and wet finger tracking. Cypress offers two forms of waterproofing. First, water rejection is the ability to reject false touches from occurring while a thin film of liquid is covering the touchscreen and completely recover after that liquid has been removed. Next, wet finger tracking is the ability to track the position of fingers on the touchscreen in the presence of water. Let's see this technology in action using our Gen 5 Evaluation Kit, or EVK. Most devices aren't fully equipped to handle true waterproofing, so I'm going to turn off the waterproofing functionality first to show you a typical device response to water. I'll spray the EVK panel with water a few times to approximate raindrops or a liquid spill. Using our TrueTouch Host Emulator software, or TTHE, we can see that as I start to move my fingers on the panel, the sensor is registering more touches than I'm actually putting down. The finger ID is changing, and the controller is reporting phantom touches, sometimes even a large touch like a palm or a cheek. Now I'll wipe the water off the panel. The sensor has frozen in places, reporting constant touches where there are none. When I touch it, it registers even more inaccurate or false inputs. So you've just seen the failure in the presence of water that can occur in products without TrueTouch controllers. Now let's turn on Gen 5's waterproofing capability and try the test again. I'll spray the panel with water again, and let's test Gen 5's performance in wet finger tracking. I'll draw with my fingers over the existing moisture on the screen. It's like the water doesn't exist. The controller accurately reports the number of touches on the panel. The finger tracking functionality is precise and crisp, even as I draw through water droplets and track it across the screen. And when I wipe the panel dry, there's no sensor overload or freeze. The controller has stabilized and continues to function normally. You can see that Gen 5 delivers superior performance in the toughest environment, giving you one more way for your designs to silence the competition. If you'd like to know more about Gen 5 or about Cypress's other touchscreen controller solutions, feel free to watch the other videos on this page, look through our website, or email us at truetouch@cypress.com. Thanks for watching.